The copy on write pattern, or COW, what does that mean? Given some physical memory partitioned into units, for instance blocks, but it may be more fine granular, it may be more coarse granular. And you have allocate, write and update operations on those units performed by the users. So the user is writing blocks, it's updating blocks, it's allocating blocks and so forth. Then the solution is you hide the physical addresses by some indirection. One way of indirecting is logical block addressing as used in hard disks. But another method for indirection is, of course, shadow paging, using these two tables we learned about in the other video. And you make users share the data without them even noticing. So logically, you have two different numbers, but they're pointing to the same physical address. That's what we had. We had a logical number and a physical number, and the logical number may be 42, and for one user, and it may be 7 for the other user, and they both point to the same physical address, maybe 9. And they don't notice that. That is what copy on write is about. Only if one of the users tries to change the contents of that, then you do a copy. Then you do something like 42, 9, 7 becomes some other physical block number 8. Then you actually separate the two physical blocks, only when you change it. That is what copy on write is about. So you copy physically only at allocate, write, and update time. So the advantages of this pattern are it saves considerable storage space, especially compared to twin block. So the drawbacks is the managing overhead and the space for the indirection tables, or the maps as we called it, in shadow storage. There's a page table in virtual memory, we will get back to that in another video. And fragmentation, of course, that may happen, and that may be a problem if you get too many random accesses due to that. So there are many use cases for the copy on write pattern. One is shadow storage, we talked about that. I will do another video on virtual memory. File systems use that. So ZFS uses that for the contents of a file, and that's a very nice feature. But also versioning systems use that, of course, because if you create a version of a large file, you don't want to do a deep copy of all of the files, so you can do something like copy on write. You can do it on the block level, you can do it on a row level, on a text row level, whatever you want. But from a high level, it's the same pattern, it's the same algorithmic idea. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you. So if you want to see more database videos, be it in English or in German, take a look at my website datenbankenlernen.de. It has a couple of English and German videos. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channel, Jens did, or you look at our website infosys.uni-saarland.de. See you there!